Here at the shop, we restore cars every day that have damage caused by other people. And that leads us into our sponsored video today. That's the 70 MAI Dashcam Omni. 70 MAI is an industry-leading auto intelligence company specializing in dash cams featuring everything from beginner-friendly models for basic recording needs to premium 4K cameras with advanced smart features. The 70 MAI Dashcam Omni comes with everything you need for installation. There's a quick and easy app to download, and the hardware is plug and play. The Dashcam offers reliable parking guard with 360 rotating views with a field of view of 140 degrees and a swivel design with 340 degrees capability. Every part of your vehicle will be covered. This flexibility allows you to comprehensively cover around your car while parked, or if you want interior shots or another particular angle, just adjust it to your preference. When parked, 70 MAI's self-developed AI motion detection can accurately detect suspicious activity, triggering the recording function in the direction of the motion, and a warning light lets them know they're being recorded. The camera also includes 24-hour parking surveillance with time-lapse recording. This means the camera shoots a still picture every second while parked and stitches these images together every 30 minutes into 1-minute recordings to have a quick capture of any activity occurring while parked. This method saves memory and battery and allows for faster playback. While driving, the collision detection feature automatically directs the camera to the appropriate angle to capture the details of the accident. When it detects a collision while either parked or driving, the recording will start 5 seconds prior to the collision, recovering the full details surrounding the accident. Thanks to the superb night vision mode, the camera provides a quality picture even at night. The camera captures crisp, clear images even in low light settings or at night as well, with excellent color and contrast. The enhanced frame rate eliminates blur and blind spots from the sun. The expanded driver assistance warns you in advance of safety risks such as lane departure, pedestrians, and cyclists, providing an extra layer of safety. The 70 MAI Dashcam Omni also operates hands-free. With voice control, you can instruct the camera to take pictures, shoot emergency videos, or record in different directions. Simply say, shoot left, right, or shoot emergency video, and it will follow your commands. You can even tell it to take selfie or shoot vlog to record your road trip. If you're interested in this dash cam, go check out the link in the description below and get one for yourself. Good morning and welcome back. We got a special car here today. This is our buddy's. I'm not gonna say his name. I don't know why I was about to say his name. This is a 2.8 liter with a T51R and a 6-speed. It's got this rad radiator that I don't know what it is, but one thing that's crazy is this custom made aluminum crash beam. It's got the RB28 on it. A lot of cool parts, cage. But what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna take this out, do some maintenance stuff to it because we don't know how old it is, and we're going to transplant it into this car. The brakes are going to go into this car. The wheels for now, everything we can fit is going to go into this car. This car is going to have like a look like my 33, and then this car is getting the setup out of my 33, and this should just be a nice runner. 32s need about 100 horsepower less than a 33, or I should say 33s need about 100 horsepower more than a 32 to be fun. So my setup in my 33, it's okay. In a 32, it's perfect. This setup in a 32 is monstrous. In a 33, should be perfect. Someone just did the strut towers. You'll notice none of this stuff is done. They kind of did the firewall, but look, they blasted that. Yeah, so a lot of stuff will be changed, modernized, redone. I'm gonna give this away. So anyway, pretty cool setup. Don't know all of what we'll change or what we're gonna find, but we'll see when we take it out. All right, so the turbo kit is out. It looks, the T51R is just such a unit. Biggin', it's a biggin'. Looking at this, we're trying to map out how to go back to factory, but what I want to show you is this weird dust. Go ahead, hit it. So the line is literally decaying. Wipe it off this first runner here. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Is it old? Was it cheap? Like, I don't really know. If anyone else has seen this on their car, put it in the comments. This thing is custom hardline and this regulator and stuff, but it's going back to a very simple setup and it doesn't need this. Do we transplant this stuff in the 33? Do we get rid of it altogether because we never run it? Like, there's some crazy shit going on. So we'll look underneath the car, but as of right now, we have to change the color scheme because the purple, the blue, the red, like, it just doesn't go. It's obviously flaking off. This is Japanese wrinkle spray paint they use on a lot of shit. I don't know. I think that's going to be the move, though. I'm stoked as an ABS delete. I'm stoked on a lot of things, and I still can't get over this crash beam. But anyway, we'll keep going. We'll get this engine out, kind of assess the situation. I think the move is going to be to use some of it in the new car and some of it throw in the woods. Dual teardowns. So this car is very close to stripped. Here's the drivetrain out. 6-speed. Everything's pretty, except I hate all the hardware used. It's not good. So the hardware on that is all not, like, pretty much everything on the oil pan. Dang. That crank pulley's serious. 1000 HP. 34 6-speed. 24 U-block, really? That's cool. Engine block painted Ferrari red. Not good. So what I'm holding here is it was a perfect match, right? We can agree on that?
Yeah.
The perfect match to Larry's AH3. And this is what we deal with every day. We've got cars that have been painted 6 ways from Sunday. And Larry's AH3 versus this AH3, which we don't know which one's which. Like, this car's been painted, Larry's car's been painted. Who knows? Oh, right here.
Yeah.
So you ready? This is sun. This is a piece of sun. So you got this color. Can you get in there, Mike? And then we have that color. Look at how much darker and deeper this AH3 is than Larry's. Like, that's not even the same color. This might as well be black and white. So the hardest part of our job, and by our job I mean this guy's job, I mean, it is my job. I come down here and put my eyes on it. But
some ideas.
Matching these, figuring out this stuff is the hardest part of the whole process. Being able to color match the bay to the fenders and it look right. We try to get it as close as humanly possible. And sometimes it's a lot harder than others.
Oh yeah, this one took like 6 hours.
Yeah, this one took forever, and this is an AH3. This wasn't even in the computer as a variant for AH3. We had to go into the chips and match it. This is crimson. This is Christmas.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's just an idea. Like, we don't get a lot of AH3 either, so it's okay.
But I mean, KH2 is the same way.
KH2 is just as
violets,
hard.
There's grays. It's just browns. It's crazy.
KN6, when we did Billy's car, that was a nightmare. Both sides of his car are different colors. Yep. So we're actually working with a white one right now that we had to do a bunch of spray outs. It's literally the most difficult part of this job, and I'm a real stickler for color matching. Some people are like, it's just a bay. You know, we've had other bay painters that are like, it's just a bay, but that's all we do. So if it's just a bay, then we're just a bunch of clowns.
It's gotta look great.
It's gotta look great. So that's a great example, but not even close. Not even close. You blast it? It looks pretty good. All right, so here is the heart. So if you didn't know, this is the red car that had the setup from the white car, T51R, 2.8, 6-speed. Well, now it's getting a little dumbed down, and the setup for my 33 is going in. This is a gangster setup. Step 1 VCAM, GTSS's, fresh engine, not fresh bottom end, but like fresh head, intake cam or exhaust cams in. So this is gonna be the old switcheroo. We're literally gonna pull it out, move it over slightly, and put it in. 4 bolts. So once that's done, my car is gonna go back into as a roller, but then we're gonna yummy down on this. Our goal is to get this thing done this week. So let's get into it.
Nice blue couplers going on too.
Okay, so I was gone. The AH3 car, sorry, I couldn't think. The AH3 car, pretty far. We've got the 32 specific HKS piping, the engine out of my 33, all the piping's in, intercooler's in. Now it's just do everything in the front of the motor. So this thing turned out fucking gorgeous. I love this car, and I think this setup is more suited for a 32 all day long. Alrighty, we're back in the shop. Talking to the customer here. We're gonna kind of hold off on these two cars. That's why they're stacked at this point. This thing's just about done. This one needs kind of a bit more, but not bad. whole cooling system, intercooler piping, catch can, just little shit. The VCAM wiring ran, fuel system, etc., etc. So we're gonna put these on hold. He's got a bunch of other cars, and we just wanted to get them both rolling and in a good place. This car just needs a VCAM wired and some little button-up shit. But you'll notice all the piping's good and all that. Anyway, there's too many details to go into about the both, but I thought it'd be cool to, since it's one customer, to put them both in the same video. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a few weeks before we finish them because we're pushing back and starting on or going back to some other cars. Bowman's is #1 priority at this point. Getting this done, we're this close. Fuel systems in, etc., etc. We'll go over that in a video, but a lot of people ask about this car. We're this close. We're waiting on some annoying things. We've been waiting on some annoying things, but we did the radium in-tank surge tank. We had to drop the tank, set up some lines. It's just, this car is really extensive. We want to make it good. I'll probably hand deliver this to him myself, and I just need it to be perfect. So putting those cars on hold, getting back in this. You'll notice this thing on the lift. We'll do something with that soon too. And we got Kane here working on his EV1 S15. This is a gem. Somebody kitted it and stuff, but Kane's in the process of de-fucking it. OEM aero, new hood, new trunk, spec R wing, and he's just been printing out the bay. Honestly, the bay looked kind of shitty, but the black pipes and stuff did a lot.
Yeah, nice. All the couplers.
Did a lot. I mean, it didn't look like bad, but it was just like,
yeah, like the filler panel.
yeah, all this stuff.
Dry ice.
Hey, dry ice blasted in, has just been getting it ready. He's got to send it down to out to Vegas, not down. He's gonna send it out to Vegas, so just been getting that ready. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time on some more GTRs.